Good morning guys, this is iCycle and right now is the week of giving. So yung latag ni iCycle, tutuloy natin yan. Ito yung mga pamimigay natin. Okay. And we also have helmets. These are things for fat bikers, mga fat bikers. Ito meron tayong mga interiors for you. And also, we have some accessories to give you. May shoes pa dito pang babae. Okay. And all of these things, mga accessories natin. Yan. Mga face shields, you know, hindi pa gamit, oh. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung mga sponsors natin, yung mga kaibigan natin nagbigay ng mga bagay na ito. And some of these are even brand new. Oh, brand new, hindi pa gamit, oh. Ito yung brand new. This one is brand new. And itong mga shades na to are brand new also. You know. Galing kay iCycle yan, mga gamit ko, hindi ko naman nagamit, so ito rin. So I'm gonna give it away. Ayan, some face shield, brand new. These are all brand new also, can use pag sa gabi kayo nag-night ride. And so many more. So these are all brand new. So see you in latag ni iCycle sa Taktak and Domsa. Thank you.